sikat na music icons ang makikita natin na gagayahin. Pati look at style, kokopyahin na rin ng mga guests natin. Ito-todo na nila yan.
And to give us a sneak peek kung sino-sino ang tatlong performers, we have Grace Lee in the backstage.
Good afternoon, Ate Lucy and Ate Wilma. Nandito ako right now backstage for the TSL Bootcamp. Of course, this is the place kung saan inaayusan ng mga ating mga performers. That's coming up next, from the makeup to the hair to the dresses to the shoes. Talagang the works talaga. Our first guest for this afternoon idolizes Barbara Streisand. Let's ask Lord Ramos about how he's able to put up that look for our artist. Okay, how were you able to achieve the look of Barbara Streisand? Kasi diba si Barbara, very contoured yung face niya.
Yes. Well, the signature look of Barbara Streisand is basically about her eyes and the eyebrows. So first, our artist has kind of dark eyebrows. So what I did is I lightened it a bit using a lighter ash beige of the eyes. And then what I used on her eyes is just basically a taupe and a base of ash color.
Ash color, so parang smoky effect. How about the lip color?
The lip has to be safe because she wanted to see and make them people hear her song. So we make it nude beige so that the eyes really excites everything and then keeps the beauty of the song and look at her face.
All right, well, she's all glowing and ready. I'm sure excited na kayong malaman kung sino yung next performer natin. I will now turn you over to Ate Lucy and Wilma.
Thank you, Grace Lee. As an ingenue, somebody told Barbara that she had to get a nose job kasi hindi daw siya, parang hindi bagay sa isang
Kasi yung
star
nose niya,
or
di ba,
magiging
parang
star.
may parot
Parang
na
sa
dito.
periko, oo. She refused and she became famous just the way she is. I also remember another Hollywood actress, si Angie Harmon.
Ay, hindi ko kalala yung ten.
Para siyang supermodel before and then she was told na dapat daw ipa-opera niya yung isang mata dahil mas maliit kaya sa isa. And hindi niya ginalaw. She turned out to be a supermodel
Oo,
still.
ganun talaga yun. Yan ang spirit na nakuha ng ating first guest. Magandang-maganda at palong-palo ang kanyang traits para maging diva. Pero tingnan nga natin kung paano talaga siya na-inspire ng kanyang idol.
I'm frightened. I know my way around here. The cardboard trees, the painted scenes, the sound here. Yes, a world to rediscover, but I'm not in any hurry, and I need a moment. The whispered conversations in overcrowded hallways, the atmosphere as thrilling here as always, and the early morning madness and the magic in the making. Yes, everything's as if we never said goodbye. I don't want to be alone. That's all in the past. This world's waited long enough. I've come home at last.
Bakit ba hindi tayo singer?
Oo
naman,
nga.
no?
Sana naging singer din ako. Kasama din natin, of course, ang stylist na si RC. RC?
Yes,
Bagay sa kanya yung kanta ni Barbara Streisand, no?
Oo, magandang. RC, ano ba ang ginawa mo kay Marie Chris?
Well, ang peg na rin sa kanya is Barbara Streisand. Nung nagre-research ako kung anong look ni Barbara, kasi ngayon, it's a tough choice, kasi ngayon, ang book ni Barbara is long na bob. We recreated that look in a modern and very contemporary way.
You remember the first time you saw Barbara Streisand perform kahit sa TV lang?
Actually, naging idol ko lang siya. Nung kasi before nga, di ba, I used to sing sa mga hotel, sa mga bar. Meron lang nagre-request kasi couple sila na theme song daw nila yung isang song na yun. Doon ko lang, parang natuwa ako dun sa song. Doon lang ako nagsimula mag-research
You
about.
remember the song?
That's Some Good Things Never Last.
Ay, oo.
It's
Ganda
really
yun.
in the moon.
Okay, up next, isang music teen idol naman ang bibirit ng Mariah Carey classic song. Find out who she is after the break.
When I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be in movies. When I grow up, wanna see the world, drive nice cars, I wanna have boobies. When I grow up, be on TV, people know me, be a magazine.